Farfalle with ricotta cheese sauce. Today we are sharing with you a delicious farfalle pasta that can be ready in 20 minutes or even less. It's a tomato-based pasta sauce with ricotta cheese that is full of flavor, simple and easy to make. It makes the perfect dish for weekdays dinners when you have to put together a meal for your family after a day of work. Ingredients: your choice of farfalle allegra, or gili conditi, ricotta cheese sauce, home-style courgettes, parmesan to grate on top, salt and pepper. Preparation: start this quick recipe by placing a pot for your pasta over the stove with water and salt. Let it boil. When the water boils, throw the farfalle and let them cook following the packaging instructions, which will vary depending on the pasta shape you chose. When the pasta is ready, take it off the heat, strain the water using a colander and transfer the pasta again in the pot. Empty the contents of the jar on the farfalle and mix well for a few minutes at low heat. Take the pot off the heat, and start serving the farfalle. Finish this simple yet tasty farfalle dish by topping it with the crunchy home-style courgettes, a sprinkle of grated parmesan and a crack of black pepper. Tips: if courgettes are not your favorite vegetables, you can replace them with roasted aubergines or grilled artichokes.